Two of the most effective trading strategies revolve around one key question. Will price revert back to the mean, or will it continue trending in the same direction? That's the difference between mean reversion and trend following, and today we're breaking down how each works. So you can decide which strategy fits your style. Let's get started. Mean reversion is based on the idea that prices tend to return to their historical average over time. When an asset moves too far from this average, traders look for a reversal. Think of it like a rubber band. If price stretches too far from the mean, it often snaps back. Common indicators for mean reversion include moving averages. Prices often return to the 50-day or 200-day moving average. Bollinger Bands. When price moves outside the bands, it often reverts back inside. RSI, Relative Strength Index. Overbought or oversold conditions suggest a possible reversal. Trend following is the opposite. It assumes that once a trend starts, it's more likely to continue than reverse. Traders using this strategy focus on riding momentum rather than betting on reversals. Think of it like surfing a wave. Once the trend builds momentum, traders jump in and ride it as far as possible. Common indicators for trend following include moving averages, again. The 50-day crossing above the 200-day is a bullish signal. MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence, measures trend strength and direction. ADX, Average Directional Index, tells traders how strong a trend is. Each strategy has strengths and weaknesses. Mean reversion strengths, works well in sideways markets, offers frequent trade opportunities. Mean reversion weaknesses, can fail in strong trends where price moves far beyond expected reversion points. Trend following strengths, captures big moves ideal for trending markets. Trend following weaknesses, requires patience, can lead to losses in choppy, range-bound markets. The best traders adapt their strategy based on market conditions. Which strategy is right for you? It depends on your personality and market environment. If you prefer quick trades and frequent opportunities, mean reversion may be your best bet. If you like riding big moves for larger profits, trend following might be a better fit. If you're trading in a choppy, range-bound market, mean reversion is usually more effective. If the market is in a strong uptrend or downtrend, trend following tends to win. Some traders even combine both strategies, buying breakouts and trends while taking mean reversion trades in ranges. There's no single best strategy, only the one that fits your style and the market you're trading. Mastering both mean reversion and trend following gives you the flexibility to trade effectively in any condition. Ready to refine your strategy? Visit verifiedinvesting.com for expert insights and tools.